Hi everyone, Brian from Bearable Traders here. Wednesday, September 5th. Had a good day in the room today. Andrew had some great trades. Some of our other traders did really well today. And good day overall. Just go over a few trades I did, a recap. Uh, Pot stocks were on my watch list as they've been for the last week or so. And they've just been doing really well. They've been really strong. And told people at the open that any sell-off, look for reversals. So the open CGC and some of them were choppy. We did trade CRON in and out, and then it started to sell off. You can see here the waves of selling. We had one, and then a bear flag, and then another wave of selling, and another bear flag, and then a real hard wave of selling. This is when I got really interested in this stock. Got really extended from the VWAP here, as you can see, and so I was just waiting for an entry on a V bounce. I was not expecting a double bounce. These stocks have been so strong that I knew once this thing would turn, it would just go higher, and so I just waited for what looked like some bottoming action here. Like I said, really extended from VWAP. We got a bit of a doji there, and then we had one candle. The 1 minute candle was green, and then I took an entry there at 49.68, and then just continued to scream higher from there, and I took my position off at 51. So I was pretty happy with that trade. And and then it just chopped along there for a while. So anyway, that was my logic on this trade. I've done a few of these other ones where really strong stocks get sold off hard, and then they get quite extended from the VWAP, and then I just look for a V bounce. They're a little more tricky. You've got your stop here, probably 49.20-ish area. So it's another reversal. It's just a little bit trickier to play. But when you've got a strong stock like CGC, something that's been so powerful in terms of its price move in the last week or two, you just know it's gonna come back up. So the other trade I did was MU. Andrew covered this a little bit, but I'll just kind of go over again what I did. I mean, I looked at this. I thought, okay, we've got a double bottom, and it just didn't want to go higher. So I was in at 50.68, and then I was out at 50.62. I just pulled the plug on it because I just didn't think it was going to go. It was going to double bounce. I thought it was going to head lower, which it did. So, and these double bottoms, they're not always perfect. Sometimes, sometimes you get a bottom that comes back and they're doesn't quite get back to the bottom. Other times they'll fail below this bottom, and then they'll come back. So we got a nice little doji here, and I was still watching it, and Andrew was watching it too, and we both took an entry on this because again it held. This doji held, so I thought I'd try it one more time, and got the move back to the VWAP. So eventually it worked, and again, sometimes you just gotta bail when you don't feel good about a position, and then get back into it if if it looks like it's going the way you thought it was going to go. So that was it. I hope everyone had a good day in the room, and I hope everyone had a good day in the market. We'll see you tomorrow.